Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hugo and I'm a Microstock contributor since 2012. And today I want to show you an extra mission that has gotten to me in my Adobe Stock dashboard. So as you might have as well, there is a banner on the side that says you've been selected for AI machine learning. Now here you can see your open missions. I did 4 out of 10 for powerless tools and 9 out of 10 for smart home devices. Now an extra one is added and it's quite a short deadline actually. So 26th of November, it's now 22nd of November. And what they want is machines, and this time they want to have added sound with it. Videos like this. So here you see an electric saw, table saw, and it also contains the sound. Now this is a very good example. The video AI generators are now including a lot of sound, and that's want to train more. You need quite a good microphone as well. So they're asking for certain audio file formats with a high standard. Now I have the Osmo Pocket 3, which I'm filming on now, and it has an external microphone. Good enough for what they're asking. So it's important that you don't let in any excessive noise that is not coming from the machine. So do it in a quiet area. Things you can film are many things. I already did the challenge. I did 50 machines that I could find around my house. But you can also do industrial and workshop equipment, but also cars or vending machines in public spaces. And you can also use machines more than once, as long as it's making a different noise or different function that you're showing. Now also the title is very important. So you have the object, the action that it's performing, and the resulting sound. So if you have, for example, washing machine and it's spinning, then the resulting sound is washing machine spinning with steady hum. So you have the action, object, and the resulting sound. Now they need 50 videos and it will give you $92. And here you see all the requirements. So 30 FPS max. And also your file needs to be 16-bit or 24-bit sound. Here you have some examples that this is a drone. Buzzing, beeping and tapping sound. So there are many more examples. For example, this is one that is not so good. And this is because there are lots of birds in the background. So I already did the mission and I have 50 files already submitted, and they're now being judged by Adobe Stock, as you can see here. Now I did the challenge in about 3 to 4 hours. And also important, they say if you participate, you can do multiple missions in the future. So, okay, so that was my mission for today. And here are some of the examples that I've shot today. So if you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.